All right, hey everybody, it's Joe from NCP Bone Outdoors. I am back out at my hunting property once again. It is, at this point, it's kind of just a week of Thanksgiving. It's the Monday before Thanksgiving. So I'm not exactly sure. This video probably won't drop because I've got so many teed up until sometime in January. Right now I'm just going to do an evening hunt today and see what kind of is going around. It's a little bit warm. But there's been a lot of deer harvested here in central North Carolina where I'm at. The processor, the deer processor where I usually go, isn't even taking any more deer right now because he's so full. He said he had 100 deer that were brought to him Saturday, so their coolers are full, so they don't even have room for deer. So I don't know. I'm not sure what's moving around my place. I haven't really seen anything on my cameras, so you know, we'll sit tonight and just see what comes, and we'll see if we can get a nice big buck. But I'm only looking for a big buck. I'm not looking for anything small, so it'd be cool to see something, but really just looking for that monster buck. But in the meantime, I'm going to make some lunch before I sit in the stand. So what do I have for you today? I'm going to use my seatosummit pot, and I'm going to make this private select from Harris Teeter creamy macaroni and cheese buffalo style blend aged cheddar. So basically buffalo mac and cheese, and I'm going to add some chicken breast to it right here. So I got some Walmart chunk chicken breast here in the can. So I'm going to use the oil and kind of heat up that chicken a little bit in the pot. And then I'm going to boil the water and the noodles, cook it, and then strain it, add it. You know how that all works with mac and cheese. So I've got my Pathfinder canteen cook set. I'm just going to use the water from the canteen to boil that noodles. And as always, I'm going to use, of course, my Coleman stove right here, as you can see, with my logo on the front of it. So I'm going to go ahead and get the stove started, and then maybe we'll do both burners today. I think maybe we'll do both burners. So I'll get maybe my canteen out of that cook set and heat up that chicken a little bit, and then we'll boil the water, obviously, for the noodles in the seatosummit pot over here. So, all right, folks, let me get this all started up, and then we'll start putting this meal together. All right, everybody, so we got the stove set up here. Got it lit. I'm waiting for that yellow flame to come down to that nice blue color. Should be almost there. Look at that. Perfect, right? I said I haven't had a lot of problems with the stove since I redid it and cleaned it and took care of it. So looks pretty good. I mean, it looks like a pretty good blue flame. So let's go ahead and get my canteen of water here. All right, let's pop this out. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it. I'm sure you can see that, right? You guys can see that. So I'm just gonna add some water. That should be enough. If not, I do have an extra water bottle in the truck. I could always get that and add some more water. Let's see. I'm going to wait till that boils, obviously, before I put my noodles in, but alright, let's see. So this is that private select. It's got these big, nice packet of cheese right here. Let's pop this out. Kind of show you that. Come on, get off there. There you go. Wow, that's a big packet of cheese, so we're going to have a really good meal today. And then obviously you can see the kind of the shell macaroni that's in there, right? Yeah, kind of going to look at that. Okay. I'm probably going to need some more water, so I'm just going to run to the truck and get an extra bottle of water. I guess I should have filled up my canteen more before I came out, but definitely going to need some more water for these noodles. So let me go ahead and get that water, and we'll add it in, and then I'll bring it right back. All right, let's go ahead and just add some more water. That should be enough. Hopefully that won't be too much. Maybe I put too much in now, who knows, but that shouldn't be a problem. So I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on, and we're going to turn up the gas, and we'll bring this to a boil. And once that starts to boil, we'll add the noodles, and we'll go from there. So let me bring you back when I'm ready to do that. All right, everybody, so this water is definitely boiling. Oh yeah, actually, I bet I have too much water in there. So let me go ahead and add these noodles. So again, I'm just going to dump these noodles. Oh boy, it's pretty close. Okay, all right, well, we'll get that in the trash. Take a little bit. Well, that should be all right. Well, we'll get the lid on that. Let those noodles boil. So supposedly this needs to boil for about 14 to 15 minutes, so no point in having you guys watch the pot cook on the stove and wait 14 minutes. So once that water's done boiling and those noodles are ready, we'll strain this out, and then we'll go ahead and add our chicken and our buffalo cheese and make this meal complete. So stay tuned, everybody. Alright everybody, so I just took the lid off so you can see the kind of the noodles and the water boiling in there. I added a little pinch of salt in there that I had in a little bit of a salt packet, so I don't want to add too much because there's plenty of sodium in the chicken. So just give this a quick stir and kind of let that boil. Hopefully a leaf doesn't fall into my bowl. Yeah, so this is going to be really good. So I got probably another about 8 minutes or so for this to boil, and then we'll be ready to strain it and add the cheese, so it shouldn't be a problem. So I'll bring you right back when I'm ready to do all that. Alright everybody, these noodles have been boiling for about 12-14 minutes, so I think they're good. Let's go ahead and do just a quick test and see if they're okay. Oh yeah, they're good. Cool. So I'm going to go ahead and take my lid, put it on here. I'm going to turn down the gas, and we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to strain it using the holes on the lid. You can see that right there. There's like a hole there, and there are holes up here. So now we've got all those noodles right there, water strained out. So let's go ahead and use it and get this cheese on here. So I'm just going to use, this is my new knife that I had just gotten at the Blade Show this year. This is the White River. It says special edition, but basically this is the Ursus 45. But you can see there's you probably can't see it in the camera, but there's like something happened when they tried to put the logo right there. So they just painted it with the black, obviously, and then put this special edition. Basically, it's just $50 off at the blemish table, and that's what I got. But it's basically the same knife with what is it, CPM S35 stainless steel kind of knife. So I forget the exact numbers. I'll post that in the bottom of the picture there to tell you exactly what it is, but I'll give you the details. But yeah, so this has been really cool. I love this micarta handle, full tang, great knife. So I'm going to go ahead and use this to slice that perfectly sharp. Go ahead and just add this right in there. All right, let's go. Oh yeah, look at that. That is awesome. Get all that cheese out. Take my wood spoon. I'm just gonna cook that. Perfect. All right, we'll get this in the trash. Have my trash bag off to the side. Kind of stir this around. Get that in there. There we go. Oh, it's really good. I'm gonna just relight the stove because I'm going to add that chicken. There we go. Try to put that on low and just kind of let it heat that a little bit. There we go. Look at that. That is absolutely amazing. Just so I can see what you see. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and open this can of chicken. I'm going to drain it because I don't need that liquid. Okay, so I've got that drained, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to use my spoon to get out some of these fat pieces that are in this chicken because I don't need all that fat. So we'll get that off to the side and get rid of that. But for right now, I'm just going to take what's left in there and just dump it right in there. Oh yeah, carbs and protein, carbs and protein. We'll get this can in the trash. Let's put this back on the gas. Oh no, I lost a noodle. No. All right. Quick taste test. I'm gonna get a paper towel and clean off my stove. But we'll add that chicken chunks in there. Oh wow, that's spicy. It is definitely buffalo. So we'll get this. Put that gas on real low. Just let that chicken warm in there a little. All right. Oh man, that looks delicious. All right, I'm going to let that heat just a bit more, and then I get a paper towel and kind of wipe that stove real quick. Then I'll bring you back for that final taste test and show you the final product.
All right, everybody, just a quick word from some of the supporters of the channel. First Slammer Series turkey calls. They're made by a hunter for hunters. If you're looking for a new turkey call, visit www.slammerseries.com. Also, Aqua Leisure Services LLC, serving the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, and surrounding areas, meeting all your pool and spa needs. Science Scientists, providing a broad range of services, including wall, murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.sciencescientist.com or call 919-685-7641. Also, Tactical Creations. We're a small, personalized business that's here to help you personalize items to make the gift that you give that much more special. Visit www.tacticalcreation.com or call 770-548-2691. If you're interested in purchasing any NC Piedmont Outdoors apparel or Slammer Series apparel, visit our Teespring site. The link is in the description box.
All right, everybody, I turned off the stove, and here's the final product right there. It looks absolutely delicious. I'm going to do a quick taste. Wow, that is spicy. It does have a good buffalo kick to this. Wow, that is sharp, so that's cool. But I'm just going to sit here and enjoy this before I have to sit in my stand this evening and do my hunt. So, again, thanks everybody for watching. Please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. Still trying to grow the channel as best we can. So I look forward to everybody. If you have comments, drop them. Happy to answer any questions about the stove, my gear, what I'm doing. Yeah, just please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. Really helps. So thanks everybody for watching, and we'll have some more videos for you soon. So take care.
Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.